ko alam kung anong gagawin.
Ang ipaalala sa inyo dito, that comparing things is hindi siya masama, no? Kasi comparing things can do good. Yan. Lalo na kapag kayo compare the cost and the benefit. Okay? So, if you understand now your mind and what do you want to do in your life, sa kakaunti-unting magbukas ng iyong assumptions. Okay? So, yun. Arison! Picture na tayo. Ba, kulas na ang lola nyo. Ano ba yan? Yan. Yun ay kung hindi ko alam kung kailan siya.
Hey! Yo! Just finished my first class as a sophomore. I'm second year. Like, second year na ako sa course ko. Oh my gosh, like, girl. 2 years na lang. Ekonomista na ako ng bayan. 2 years na lang. Hindi ko alam saan ako tatrabaho. I survived it. Actually, I'm from work. I am currently working while I'm on vacation because it's a very good start. But I'm really sleepy because I'm tired.
Diba? So, agriculture in this country dapat tayo. Even, yes ma'am. Nominal. Just to illustrate. Is there a growth in the economy? May economic growth ba? Ano ba yung economic growth? One of our goals. Depression.
Wala, ako yung
Or growth.
depression.
Or
Hi everyone! So I'm home kanina pang 6 p.m. Hindi ko na na-vid yung ibang nangyari sa school, but ayun lang naman yun. Nag-class kami sa macro, tapos dapat nag-class kami sa PATFIT, pero naglaro kasi yung professor namin ng basketball kasi may Entrams University Intramurals. Ayun, I'm very tired, I'm very sleepy, but I went down a while ago kasi I went to the laundry shop and I was just so happy kasi I was able to do it on my own.
Hello guys, we're at UP Dalaman right now. We are about to video our niece PE while it's raining.
Sabi niya,
Si Carla gusto na umuwi. Naantok na ako.
wawa niya.
Stay madan ka daw sa
Pero kay sir kasi lahat naka-ano yung bending.
Naka-forward, naka-ganun.
Ano yan? Oblique? Uy, seryoso ako.
Bilyar. Huwag nung bilyarin mo.
Okay, kaya kapag ka nagbabadya naman ng pagtaas ng mga taxes, price of related goods. Related goods, pwedeng walang label na relationship. Okay, kaya siya other good. Ito ay, these are the goods that have other good. Parang other woman ang dating eh, no? Wala kasi silang relationship. Okay, paano to? Ganyan. So, halimbawa, no? Nung pandemya, bumaba ang presyuhan yan sa market, no? Producing bags, dahil pareho sila ng graph. Yan yung surplus. Okay. Tapos, ang pero konti lang ang na-produce. So, there's a graph, the upper portion ay however, no, may instances, sellers na magbenta ng good at price selling. Kasi siya yung